Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay and I am here to help you improve your English speaking skills. In today's video, we are going to practice shadowing. That means you will listen and repeat after me to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. I will say 50 short daily use sentences and you can repeat each one with me. Let's begin. How are you? How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good day. Where are you going? Where are you going? I don't understand. I don't understand. Please repeat. Please repeat. Can you help me? Can you help me? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No problem. No problem. That's okay. That's okay. What time is it? What time is it? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's go. Let's go. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. What happened? What happened? Everything is fine? Everything is fine? Don't worry. Don't worry. I need a break. I need a break. I'm tired. I'm tired. It's too late. It's too late. It's very early. It's very early. I will call you later. I will call you later. Text me, please. Text me, please. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live nearby. I live nearby. That's interesting. That's interesting. Really? Really? I don't think so. I don't think so. I agree with you. I agree with you. It's not possible. It's not possible. What do you mean? What do you mean? Let's me check. Let's me check. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Come with me. Come with me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What do you want? What do you want? I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Thank you.